We must clearly understand like what using any computer, such as your letter, assignment, report, or thesis. So that activity is called word processing. So in simple words, if I say word processing means working with text on a computer. So this include your typing text, correcting mistakes, changing the appearance of text, and finally printing or sharing the document. So now clearly, let us define clearly what word processing actually is. So word processing basically is the process of creating, editing, formatting, saving, and printing text documents using a computer software. So earlier documents were written manually using pen and paper. If there was any mistake, so the entire page has to be rewritten. So with the help of word processing software, mistakes can be corrected easily, text can be modified, and documents can be reused multiple number of times. So this is the biggest difference between manual writing and the word processing. Now the question arises, why do we actually need word processing? Yes, tell me.
To remove mistakes,
Okay. Any other? See, first thing, yes,
For maintaining documents.
yes. Listen, first thing, it saves time. Typing and editing is much faster than handwriting. Is it clear? So, secondly, it provides accuracy. First thing, it saves times. Secondly, it provides accuracy. So spelling mistakes and grammatical errors, if I say, can be corrected using tools. And third reason is formatting is possible. We can change font size, we can change style, we can do spacing and layout as per our requirement. Okay, and another reason is documents can be stored electronically and we can reuse it later on whenever we require. So, which is very, very important in academic and research work. Clear? Another thing, there are many word processing software available. Lots of software are available, and those are word processing software. Like your Microsoft Word is there, LibreOffice is there. So writers and Google Docs are also your word processing softwares. So at this time, we will focus only on Microsoft Word because it is most widely used software in universities, colleges, and your research institutions. And most academic submissions, including theses, research papers, are accepted in MS Word format. So word processing is extremely important in academics and research as well. Scholars can use it to prepare assignments, practical reports. Uh, can They can take help to write research proposals, progress reports, theses, dissertations. And if I talk about faculty members, they can use it to prepare question papers, lecture notes, and official documents. So therefore, knowledge of word processing is compulsory for anyone involved in higher education. So now you might ask why we specifically use MS Word for research work. The reason is MS Word is accepted by universities and journals across the world. So it provides advanced formatting options as well that are required for your thesis writing, You can update your margins, styles, header, footers, tables, and questions, equations, and so on. So, because of all these reasons, MS Word has become the standard word processing tool for academic and research purpose as well. So, let us begin from the very basic, because most of the scholars are from non-computer background. So I will start from very basic. Okay. So word processing means working with text using a computer, and the word processing is handling or performing operations on something. So it literally means performing operations on written text using software. So word processing software solve the problem that allow user to type text. They can correct mistakes instantly and reuse documents multiple number of times. So I have discussed all this academic and research uses as well. So now come to the creating a new document. I hope you have learned how to create a document in your practical.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you, or should I
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
continue
ma'am.
from the very basic?
We have learnt, ma'am.
Okay, so these are the steps to create a document. I hope all screen is visible. When you click on this icon, that is your W, it will open MS Word file. Okay, so suppose I'm writing anything. Do one thing, all of you need to do all these things side by side. Do practice with me. So write anything. I'm taking help of Google, like paragraph on Diwali, suppose. Write few lines in your Word file. This one. Just copy paste. Okay. Now see here, uh, at the top of my file, document 1 is written there. So that means this is not saved. So how to save a file? Click on this icon. First, you must click on Save As. Click on Save As. Select here the location where you want to save your file. Suppose I want to save on desktop. So give here any particular name to the file and then click on Save. See, the name appears at the top of your file. Clear? Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
So saving a document means storing your work permanently on computer. If you don't save a document and computer shuts down unexpectedly, so all your work will be lost. Okay. So when saving a document for the first time, we use save as. Like click on file, then click on save as, choose a location where you want to save your file, and type an appropriate file name and click on save button. The save option changes in the same file. To update changes in the same file. Okay, whereas save as create a new copy of the document. If you want to create a new copy of this document or you want to update with few modification, then go for save as option. If you want to save all the changes in the same file, then click on save button. Okay, so MS Word support different file formats as well. These are the different kinds of formats. So like dot docs is the working format for editing, while dot PDF is the generally used for final submission. These are the different formats. Now come to the text formatting. That is very important. Open your Word file. Okay, text formatting means changing the appearance of text to make the document more readable, clear, and professional. So by default, type text look plain. You can see these text. Okay, so formatting allow us to change font style, font size, and apply emphasis like bold, italic, or underline. You can change font type, size, and your bold, italic, underline. Okay, so now see here, all text formatting options are located in the Home tab of MS Word. This is the Home tab. Okay, this is the Home tab. I hope my screen is visible and clear.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is the Home tab. Okay, all formatting, text formatting options are located in Home tab. And these are the font options. See here, font is written here. Inside the Home tab, there is a font group, which contains tools for your font type. Font type is here. This is a font type. Font size. This is a font size. And bold, italic, underline. Okay. And color as well. This is a highlight color. And this is font color. See, before applying any formatting, it is extremely important to first select the text. If you want to give any kind of formatting to this paragraph, you have to first select the text. Okay. If text is not selected, formatting will not be applied here. And font type, this is the font type, refers to the styles of letter. You can choose any font style here, font type here. A lot of list of font type is there. You can go for anyone. Like I'm clicking on Times New Roman. So Times New Roman is there. Okay. And font size you can change like 20, 12. 12 I am taking. I'm by default standard size is 12. Okay. So bold formatting, if I go for bold, this one, suppose select Diwali and I am clicking on bold B. Click on this. This will make text darker and basically it is used for headings and keywords. Okay. If I click on I, that is for italic. Italic formatting slants the text. You can choose either bold or italic or both options. It will bold and italic. And it is basically used for emphasis or titles basically. And if I click on U, that is underline, that will draw a line below the text, but should be used carefully in academic documents. Okay. So after applying formatting, the text becomes visually distinct, helping readers to identify important sections quickly. So I hope font formatting is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So few more options are there. See here, if I select most, if you click on this icon, it will highlight the text. Any color you can choose and it will highlight that particular text, whatever you have selected. Okay. And suppose if I select festival and click on this icon, font color that is A, you can choose any color. So it will give font color. Whatever you have chosen, it will give that particular color. Okay. One more thing. Suppose I'm writing here H2O at the end of paragraph. So I have written H2O and selected that particular H2O. So these are the two options, subscript and superscript. Okay, click on subscript. So H2O, see the difference, and this one, see the difference. Now see, I will select only one word that I want to subscript or superscript. Okay, so when I have selected H2O completely, that formatting applied to whole text. So if you want to at the below size, click on this one, that is your subscript. If you want at upper side, click on this, that will your superscript. See the difference. Is it clear? Is it clearly visible or should I increase the font size?
Visible, ma'am.
Visible, ma'am.
Visible, ma'am.
So difference is
Yes, ma'am.
clear, subscript and superscript.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So now we move to the paragraph formatting. So three basic things are there: alignment, line spacing, and indentation. So one by one, we do all. First is alignment. This is the paragraph formatting tools. These are the tools for paragraph formatting. See this. Okay. So alignment determine how text is positioned between margins. So these are the different alignments. You can click on left alignment, you can click on center, you can click on right, and you can click on justify. Okay, so these are the alignments. The first subtopic was alignment, this one. So these are the four alignments: right, left, center, and justify. So according to your requirement, you can choose any alignment. If I talk about line spacing, next icon is about your line spacing that controls the vertical space between the lines. Single spacing is compact, while 1.5 or double spacing improves readability. Okay, you can choose any one. Most these require 1.5 or double line spacing. See the difference. If I click on 2.0, so line spacing is more. 1.5 is Yes, space between the paragraph and page margin. See, my cursor is here. If okay, I can do one thing. See, my margin is not showing on my screen. Okay, so if it is not visible directly, so you have to do one thing. Click on View menu at the top. Okay, click on this ruler. Click on this icon. So it will show your margin. This is margin. Now visible? Horizontal and vertical bars.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So this
ma'am.
is margin. Okay. So this is basically space between the paragraph and the page margin. My margin is here. Okay. Paragraph is starting from here. So the space between this blank space, this one, that is indentation. So indentation, in simple words, if I say, that means moving the paragraph slightly inside from the left or right margin. At both sides, we are having margin. Right side is also having a blank space, and left side is also having blank space. Okay. So it controls where a paragraph starts and ends horizontally on the page. ओके अगर हम इंडेंटेशन नहीं करेंगे सो विदाउट इंडेंटेशन आपका पैराग्राफ जो है वो क्राउडेड लुक होगा, कोई विजुअल सेपरेशन शो नहीं होगा, डॉक्यूमेंट्स लुक्स वी कैन से अनप्रोफेशनल एंड डिफिकल्ट टू रीड लॉन्ग टेक्स्ट. ओके, अगर हम इंडेंटेशन अप्लाई करेंगे इट विल बी क्लियर, पैराग्राफ स्ट्रक्चर होगा, बेटर रीडेबिलिटी होगी, प्रोफेशनल एकेडमिक लेआउट में होगा, और if I talk for scholars, it will be helpful in proper thesis writing. So that's why indentation is very important in reports, in theses, in books, research papers, and so on. Okay, but don't confuse between the alignments and indentation. Alignments are these: left, right, justify, and center. These are the alignments. ओके, अलाइनमेंट्स बेसिकली आपका टेक्स्ट की पोजीशन होती है, पोजीशन ऑफ टेक्स्ट इज अलाइनमेंट, बट डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द मार्जिन इज योर इंडेंटेशन. आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, सो डिफरेंट टाइप्स की आपकी इंडेंटेशंस होती हैं. ठीक है, सो अगर आपको यहाँ पर ये क्लियर ना हो, आपका ये रूलर क्लियर नहीं हो, यू हैव टू गो टू क्लिक ऑन व्यू मेन्यू, देन क्लिक ऑन रूलर, इट विल अपीयर हियर. Okay, so now see left indentation. Left indentation, when you scroll your mouse, hover your mouse over these icons. See on ruler, basically this is appear same one icon, but there are three options, different options. See, when I hover my mouse at the upper side, what is written over here?
First line to indent.
Yes, first line indent. When I hover slightly down, what is written here?
Hanging indent.
Hanging indent, ma'am.
Hanging indent. And slightly lower. Now, left indent.
Left
So
indent.
these are three different triangles. These are three options. Okay. So three types of indentation is there and one is there at the right side. See, what is written?
Right indent.
Right indent. So these are the four types of indentation. Okay. So we will cover all these four types indentation. We are having 7 minutes. We can cover. So should I cover or in tomorrow's lecture?
Ma'am, tomorrow's
Yes. What tomorrow's lecture? Okay, we will discuss all four types of indentation in tomorrow's lecture. Okay. So till now, any doubt?
No,
No, ma'am.
ma'am.
All clear, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So we will continue it tomorrow. If you are having any kind of issue, any doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, you can leave the class. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Welcome.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome all.
Okay, thanks
Thank
a lot.
you.
For that session.